death of this rain.
Came right down on his foot. Whole damn container. And it's still laid up. More colored folks living here.
Fucking Wayne.
Is it raining again?
Fuck me.
I better not get sick again.
Get out of my sight.
Howdy, howdy.
How you doing?
My mistake. Sorry. Certainly. I was never what you might call a good father. Or husband, for that matter. Not because I beat on him or nothing. I just spent too many nights out on the road. Can't exactly raise a family while you out playing the chitlin circuit.
The riverboat that blew up. I was just on it last week. I'm talking that
Hands
very
off.
boat.
Where's your own damn time? They so worried about the police. I ain't never met a police officer hit somebody without good reason. Really? Can't believe it's raining.
Watch what you're doing.
Yelling and screaming going on in colored vision today. All I hear is a bunch of noise, and it certainly ain't
Civil
Christian.
Rights Act was just the beginning.
whatever.
You'll see.
Really?
Good hunt weather. I'm sure Sydney sucks.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
It was the best concert I've ever been to. Almost a religious experience. Now, you give me one of those so-called singers today who can stack up to that. Just one. You can't. Nope. Life of a musician ain't exactly an easy one. Lord knows I made my share of mistakes. But I ain't afraid to own
Me
them
without
either.
my umbrella.
Here's the thing, young blood. Music can't see. It only
Fucking
feels.
Fuck me.
So you can call it black music, white music, whatever. But the only thing that really matters is how it touches
Tell
your
you,
soul.
they cause cancer. Tobacco companies are barely pretending anymore.
don't know why people don't like Wayne.
Nice to see you.
How you doing?
Good to see brothers patronizing black businesses around here.
Oops.
Pardon me.
Huh?
Oh, hell.
Sorry.
I were you, I'd keep moving.
Oh, hell.
I love that big dummy. Hey, I don't want to let on how excited I... Oh, well,
Excuse me.
Now, just how you doing?
Pardon me, young man.
Oh, hell. Well, look what the cat dragged in.
How you doing?
Just my luck.
My fault. My fault.
Diabolical individuals would rather poor, uneducated motherfuckers who simply don't know any better. Or rich folks who long lived in fear of losing their wealth to...
When I think on things, I suppose I just consider that our ancestors went through far worse circumstances than we ever have. So maybe we ought to consider that, like it or not, this may be as good as it gets.
Preach.
Oops.
Without my umbrella.
Ah, I left my windows down!
Oh, sorry.
Is Leroy's near here? I'll meet my family there.
Hey, brother.
I better not get sick again.
She's fast. But I told her no daughter of mine is going out dressed like some hussy. I swear, if I even thought of going out the way some of these goyles do today, my mother would have been on me with a belt in a minute. Why, I wouldn't know.
Glad I didn't marry him. That man had a bad... Wouldn't you know it?
Fucking rain. Please be more careful. So sick of this rain.
Oh, typical.
without my umbrella.
Wouldn't you know it?
Yes, well.
Hey,
How you doing?
Ugh, typical.
Around.
Wouldn't you know it?
Is it just me, or are there a lot more Haitians around here lately? Please leave me alone. Now.
Wouldn't you know it?
Basement doesn't flood.
Yes, well.
Or are there a lot more Haitians around here lately? His pension don't go a long way, but I don't know what we'd do without it.
I'll just have to trust you on that one, sugar.
This weather lately.
Oh, well, of course.
Just my luck.
Pardon me, young man.
hey.
Smart thing to do is avoid politics entirely. Race, the economy, any of them.
Last new guy they brought in
the day
was just looking for an
started out
excuse
so
to bend your
good.
ear about the jewel bankers and the race problem. It was exhausting.
Come to Holton's 25% off sale this weekend only. At Holton's.
Pardon me, young man.
Hey!
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Goddamn, it's cold. Hotter than sin, and I have to sweat this nonsense out. Just don't seem right.
You've got a lot of nerve.
What I ask? Raise chickens? Working at that bar,
Me without
I get
my
to see
umbrella.
new and interesting folks every day. Besides, it keeps this old bud out of trouble.
Me without my umbrella.
Rain clouds are amazing. Me without my umbrella.